Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Happy Tuesday, you guys. Well, I know I usually don't upload on Tuesdays, but here we are. So today's video is going to be my big reveal, my big secreto, my big secrets. So I've been working on something behind the scenes for some time now, and now I am finally able to share with you guys. I am so excited. My heart is like pounding out of my chest. I'm nervous. I have butterflies in my stomach. I just have a lot of emotions running through me right now. So if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Karina, also known as OhMGlashes. I hope you subscribe to my channel because it is free. I post a lot of beauty related content and makeup tutorials, drugstore haul, definitely tons of fall looks coming your way. So make sure you turn on your bell notifications if you are subscribed so you never miss any of my videos. But yeah, you guys, that's all I'm gonna do today is share some exciting news. Oh my god, I am so nervous. So I hope you guys are buckled in and sit back, grab your coffee, grab your water, and let's jump right into the video. My hands are like sweaty. So before we dive into the big news, I just wanted to give you a little backstory of me and pretty much like the artistry behind OhMGlashes and Karina. I've actually had this channel for about 7 years now, you guys. I started in late December of 2013. She is as old as my daughter is. So I actually never thought anything would ever come from YouTube. You know, I started this channel with hopes of showing my friends and family how to do their makeup. I've always had such a big passion for makeup, for everything. And one day I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. And I was so scared because it's kind of hard, like just sitting in front of a camera and like talking to yourself and posting things and just putting yourself out there in the world. But I'm so glad that I did. I'm so happy that my husband also pushed me to start my YouTube channel. He's the one that literally got me my first camera. He got me all my lights and everything. He's been a huge help and a big reason for this channel to be where it's at right now. I love this community. I love you guys so much. I love the positivity that you guys bring to my channel. I feel like we're close friends that don't know each other, but we're still girlfriends. You know, we talk in the comments and we talk about makeup and what you guys like, what you don't like, what's your favorite brand, and drugstore makeup and high-end makeup. So makeup in general for me is just a huge passion that I've always had. I actually just recently stopped doing freelance makeup work because I am pregnant. I am expecting a second child, and plus with the world how it is right now, I just don't think any opportunities will come up anytime soon. So I did decide to retire my makeup outside of YouTube, but I absolutely still love doing it. Like if a close friend or family tells me like, hey, I want you to do my makeup, I'm like, yes, I am all for it. I love doing a full face speed. I love inspiring other people. I love when you guys recreate my looks, and I love the confidence that I can give as a person to somebody else just by doing their makeup. Like it always makes me feel so good about myself. So with that said, I have been working on something super exciting. Tons and tons of you have asked me, when are you gonna come out with your own lash line? You should come out with lashes. And you guys, today is the day. So today I'm gonna show you guys my very own lashes. I mean, I hope you guys are as excited as I am. I can't even like say anything. I hope you guys are excited for my lashes, and you know, I hope this is something that I can bring you guys along with this journey, this new journey. Let's go ahead and get into the lashes. I'm going to show you guys the packaging and all that cute stuff. Dun, 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 dun. These are my lashes, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these lashes are lashes that you guys are already familiar with, that you guys already love, that you guys have shopped for before, but this is going to be all separate from Lash Kitty. This is my own lash line, you guys, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. So really quickly, I'm going to go through the lashes. If you guys are interested in purchasing them now, I do have a link in the description box down below. You can purchase them. All of the lashes are super affordable. So I'm going to show you guys two of my absolute favorite pairs. I mean, obviously I love them all equally, but these are going to be for my super drama queen girls out there. If you guys love drama in your lashes like me, I love fullness, I like thickness, I love fluffiness, all of that. I'm actually missing two lashes. So I have here the style Glam On and Drama Queen. I am missing Fabulash and Workflow, but those are available on the website. I just don't physically have them with me. So Glam On is just your typical glam lash, you know. She's pretty, she's fluffy, she's thick, not too thick. I love them because they're long, but they're not too long, and they just give you the perfect pop of glam to your eye makeup. You guys, I feel like no eye look is completed without lashes. That's just me. I love lashes. Can't live without them. Obviously, like I'm always wearing lashes. So the first style is a Glam On, and this is the packaging. It's just an all white packaging, and mine is dirty. Has the name here, OhMGlashes, which is gold. I love gold. And it will have the name of the lashes. I love that the name is on top because I like to stack my lashes like this. And that way I can see, okay, Glam On is here, Drama Queen is here, and I can just pull them out. I do recommend for you guys to keep the packaging because the packaging is going to keep your lashes safe. It's going to keep them from being squished. It's also going to keep the shape of the lash. And then probably the most dramatic lash that I have is Drama Queen, and the name says it all. These are dramatic, you guys. If you love if you love drama on your lashes, not on your life, on your lashes, these are going to be perfect for you. These are extremely fluffy, very long, very thick, very full. So I love to wear these with like a smoky eye or a very intense look. Also, my favorite way of wearing these is with a thick eyeliner, no eyeshadow, and just pop these on. Oh my gosh, they make your eyes look so pretty, you guys. Definitely one of my top favorite lashes. So this is a Drama Queen, and these are reusable, you guys. You can use these up to 25 times, but honestly, you can use them more and more if you do take care of the lash band, which I always do. I always try to clean mine off and just, like I said, keep them in their packaging. Now, if you guys don't like too much drama on your lashes, you like them a little bit more toned down but with a little oomph on them, then I got you, girl, too. So these are the OhMGlashes, and these are also really pretty. They still have, like I said, a little bit of drama, but not as much as like Drama Queen or Glam On or anything like that. So we have here La Jefa, and if you guys don't know what La Jefa means, it just means the boss. You're the boss. These as well can be used up to 25 times. I really like these because they're still, like I said, they have a little bit of drama, a little bit, not too much. They're separated, so they give you that really nice open doll eye look. These pair perfectly with a halo eye. Then we have here Sitting Pretty, which is actually the lashes that I'm wearing right now. I love these because, again, they just play up your eyes so nicely. They're nice and curled, but they're not like, whoa, you have super thick lashes on your eyes. These are definitely more for everyday look or for no eyeliner, if you just want to create a really pretty soft glam look but still add a pop of lashes, because it does have the extended wing out here. It just creates that elongated cat look that we all love. So definitely for a more everyday look if you guys are into that. And then here we have Reina. Reina just means queen because we're all queens. And this is the lash style of Reina. These are going to be even more subtle. If you guys like a very light feather lash, a little bit of spikiness, a little bit of spaces in between, but you still want that elongated look, these are going to be the lashes for you guys. The very last pair is Coqueta, and Coqueta just means like seductive, sexy, you know. They have like a normal lash, but then they have like little spikes in between. I don't know if you guys can tell, but, and then every now and then you see like a little spike of lash. These as well are going to be extremely natural. Again, if you guys don't like super dramatic lashes, these also are very wearable for everyday use. Now, you guys, the best part of these is that I was able to keep the prices super affordable for you guys. So all the 3D mink lashes are going to be $10. That's literally the price of drugstore lashes. Even then, like, there's some lashes at the drugstore that are like $12, $15, $17. So definitely on the affordable side. And then if you guys don't want to go for the 3D mink lashes and you want to go with the faux mink lashes, these are going to be priced at $6 C. Oh my gosh, that scared me. And the best part is that we offer Afterpay. So if you guys want to bundle up and stock up on lashes and you just don't want to pay everything at once, you can definitely use Afterpay. You can glam now and pay later. So whew, okay, you guys, I think that is it. That is all the information that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys support this new dream of mine, and even if you don't, that's okay. Thank you so much just by watching this video, and just being here is literally everything to me. So I will have the link listed down below if you guys want to go ahead and check out the lashes. Definitely leave me your feedback and your thoughts. What do you guys think? Do you guys love them? Do you guys not? And if you guys end up buying them and take pictures, please, please, please tag me. I would love to post you on my Instagram. So that is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you so much. God bless every single one of you. Stay safe out there. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.